Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by unplugging the TM31 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the screws located on the back panel. There are typically 4 screws that need to be unscrewed. Use the Phillips screwdriver for this step, and place the screws in a small container to keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the back panel off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck due to any debris or wear. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the interior of the TM31. Dust and particles can accumulate over time, which can affect performance. A soft cloth can be used to wipe down the surfaces. Now, locate the panel that needs to be replaced. Disconnect any wires attached to it carefully. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will help during reassembly. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this step, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. After disconnecting the wires, remove the screws that hold the panel in place. Usually, there are 3 or 4 screws, similar to the back panel. Once these are removed, you can gently lift the panel out. If it feels stuck, double-check for any missed screws or clips. Now, take your new panel and align it with the mounting points. Before securing it, reconnect the wires, ensuring each wire is attached to the correct terminal. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your TM31 serviced without any hassle. Once the panel is in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the panel. Next, reattach the back panel by sliding it into position and securing it with the screws. Again, ensure all screws are tight to prevent any rattling during operation. Finally, plug the TM31 back in and test it to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, it's always wise to get a quote before repair to understand any potential costs involved. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the panel of your TM31. This task can save you time and money, giving you the satisfaction of DIY repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.